Have you ever thought of producing electricity just by walking or driving a car? Yes, you heard it right. Hello, I'm Hijran Hamid of Satisar Educational Institute, currently studying in class 10th. And I have made piezoelectric rods and piezoelectric shoes. These rods and shoes produce electricity when force is applied upon them. As it consists of piezoelectric sensors which convert force or mechanical energy into electric energy. It works on the scientific principle of piezoelectric effect. As when the piezoelectric sensor is pressed, it bends and the charges in it gets unbalanced and it converts into electricity. As you can see here, I have made shoes using piezoelectric sensors. These are the piezoelectric sensors I have used on them. Now, if you can see that whenever we walk, we put a lot of force on our shoes. So whenever I put force on the shoes, you can see the light is glowing, which means it is producing electricity. So you are generating electricity just by putting force on your shoes or walking. I have used a rectifier here which converts the charge and then it gets stored here. I have used a switch and a USB module, so we can use the current further. So if I take a cable and I just put it here and turn on the switch. Now if I take out my mobile phone and plug it on, you can see it starts charging, which means you are charging your phone just by walking. Same is the case with piezoelectric rods. As you can see, I have made these rods using piezoelectric sensors. So whenever a car will run upon them, they will put force on the road. So whenever I will put force upon here, you can see the light is glowing, which means that electricity is being produced whenever a car runs upon them. Then there is the same case here. So the current goes into the rectifier, gets converted and then gets stored. It is a very cheap product. I think the cost of these products are up to 200 to 300, and it is not much difficult to make, and these products are very useful in day-to-day life. As whenever we are in some harsh conditions, these shoes can save us from a lot of things. Like if our mobile is dead, it can charge our mobile. It can provide us light. Thank you.
और मैंने जो बनाया है प्रोजेक्टर, वो है पीजोइलेक्ट्रिक सेंसर से बना हुआ है जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जो मैंने शूज़ में भी यूज़ किया है और रोड्स में भी यूज़ किए हैं। जैसे ही हम जो शूज़ हैं, जैसे हम इसे फोर्स डालेंगे तो ये इंडिकेट करेगा कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, जैसे कि लाइट चल रही है। वही जो फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है वो यहाँ से रेक्टिफायर में जाके वो स्टोर हो जाएगी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और फिर हम बाकी जब अगर हम किसी कंडीशन में फंस जाएँ तो हम इधर से आउट ले सकते हैं, मोबाइल चार्ज कर सकते हैं, हम अपने लिए लाइट का सोर्स ले सकते हैं। वैसे ये रोड का भी कंसेप्ट सेम है। इसमें जब इसके ऊपर से गाड़ियाँ चलेंगी तो जो उस पर मैकेनिकल फोर्स पड़ेगा उसकी मदद से जो है यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हाँ, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो जाती है, वही फिर जाकर स्टोर हो जाएगी। इससे हम जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा सोर्स बचा सकते हैं और गाड़ियों के